Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're all up. It's like 20 past 2. We got concrete at 3 o'clock, so stay tuned and let's go. Well, some of the boys are here already, so we're good to go. Let's go. Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock. All the boys are here, ready to go. So attack another day. Hope it's the best day yet. Oi, and boys, remember, you can see the laser, right? You can't stand and see the laser over there?
Can't break the line.
Can't break the line, yeah. So just stay up there. And we've got too many of us actually for this part to go anyway, so just chill out. Just cruise along. Just start doing the edge here, you know what I mean? With a mag or something. Yeah, just do the edge. Yeah. All good. Alright, we've got the first bit of concrete out. We're nearly across already. 3 trucks today. Let's go time lapse. the whole time, putting the slab in. Oh, our quantities of something's wrong with this shit. The subgrades are wrong or something. We've been like 50 cube over again of what we were supposed to have. And like 8:30 we had all the concrete we needed and it wasn't even done by. It's just ridiculous, man. I'm doing my best. The boys are doing their best. This one looks pretty good. But something has to change. We need the subgrade. Look, they're subgrading over there now. I hope they get it right this time. The sun one just cost a lot of money. Anyway, I'm flat out. Like a lizard, no drinking. Oh, another one down. What a day, but what a day. A little bit more to go. You go, water, get yourself water, the butt on top. Water, water, faster. Come back down here. Come over here. Spin it faster. Yeah. Oh, that was Alex. Stop. How'd you like that? It's hard, eh? It's not that easy, eh? It looks easy when you hang over it is, but. Come over here, mate. Come over here. Don't go over there, because you might get stuck over there. Yeah? Just give yourself water so it doesn't tear it up. Yeah, that's it. Oi. Yeah, come over there. Don't go over your ridge, you're on your ridge. That's why you feel like, oh, what? Stay down here. Okay, stop. All right, jump off. That was your first experience. Yeah. What was it like? What's it mean? I just. Right, it's 1:30. And we're still going. Gave Alex a go on the chopper, that was pretty good. Everyone thinks it's pretty easy, but it's not as easy as you think. Oi, just make sure you don't stand on the wet concrete. Like, you stay on any blackness, but don't go in there. Okay, all right, yeah. You're going awesome, Shawnee. Good work, mate. I'll always give you a job, mate. Thanks, Jim. That's all right. All right, we have 1:40. Like I said, we would be finished by 2 o'clock if we had the concrete in time. We're just realising that it, I don't know what it is. We don't know if it's the prep or what, but we're using a lot more concrete than we need. The concrete plant. Oh, my 2 number 1 labourers cleaning up the job. Look at that. Beautiful. That's how it should be. Not like the Tongans. The Tongans just leave it all messy, mate. No, you've done it good. Looks good. Very good, Hayden. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Say hello to Utah.
Hey, girl.
Utah, we miss you, buddy. We miss you, mate. And my other son, Jordan, he's about to have a baby soon. I'm going to be a granddaddy. What the fuck? All right. Let's have a little look. It's pretty good. But there's a ridge line all the way through. All the way through this fucking center. Like, what the hell? 1,100 squares, this one. Not 1,000. Throw an extra 100 on top. Booyah. 3:37. I got this set to go. This is all the cold joint bits that fucked us around a lot. But overall, 1,100 squares, you can't complain. Beautiful. Thanks to all these guys, mate. All these boys. Champions. Liam Brandt. Alex. Steve. Trent. Hey Dog. Sean. And the old boy, mate. The old boy. He outworked everyone, the old boy. No complaining, just kept going all day. Anyway. What a day. Oh, you'll fucking sue me now. Nah, you put your foot there. I didn't fucking know. You got my way. Then you're trying to steal my concrete. You don't seem to win your boots. Anyway. Alright guys, my day is finally over. It's 4:20. 4:20? What? It's 4:20 and it's time for me to go and get the band-aid. But anyway, it turned out pretty good. Like I was saying, it's got a massive, it's like a spine from one corner all the way to the other corner. On the other side, so, whoa. It's it was different for the laser screed. It was hard for us to work it out, and then we had to work out tactical ways to pour it. I hope you've got to see the time lapse a fair bit, but I wasn't sure what you're seeing because I was so busy. That's why you never actually see me doing any finishing and nothing like that. But I'll just show you what the end part is. Was the first one, and now that is the second one. Like, it's been so hard, but it hasn't been easy. The supply has it's not so much I can't even explain what is actually going on, because there's so much concrete, extra concrete getting used that shouldn't be used. So that's what the laser screed does, I suppose, sometimes. But look at that. Beautiful. This is the last bit we did. Shine a light on me. Blasted right up. Anyway, that's our day. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying these new series of Concrete Ninja. I've got to make a starting video for this one, for this new whole crew, but I've just been waiting for a bit of content so I can make a little starting video, but hopefully maybe I'll do it tonight for this one, because we're only setting up tomorrow. We're setting up another 780 squares tomorrow. Maybe not. If we're not setting up, we're going to be cutting the slab anyway, putting cut tool through it. So hope you guys enjoy. See you, boys. Say bye. Yeah. See you, Lee. He's devastated. He's tired as fuck. See you, guys. It's that time, all right. I'm going to go jump over that fence and fly. All right. See you next time. Bye. All right. She's done. So we got 1,250 and 1,100 for today. So we got what did we get? 2,350. 350? Yes. Yep. Yeah, guys. We got this. Just supply us, please. Properly.